Welcome to Old Gold, where I show you how is the old stuff made and why it's better than the new one. Today's special, keys and locks. Old house keys used to look like this. Actually, my house key is a bit longer. That long maybe. And locks came with 2 keys. Nowadays they come with 3. Imagine you have this key in your hand. And you can open your door. You feel like a boss using this key. Nowadays they make keys like this. This is how the real key is supposed to be. And most of the doors in this house are locked by using this key. Some of them have the new locks, some of them have the old locks. But of course the old keys are lost and I don't know where they are. I found some keys that fit in there, but they just don't turn. So maybe they're just rusted shut. I don't know why they don't make keys like this. I think it looks way cooler, it's way stronger. Try to break this thing in half. You can't. You actually can't. If you could make this 100 years ago, then why can't you make this today? Why do you have to make these ugly keys? Make keys with soul. Make locks with soul. Oh, I haven't showed you the lock yet. They have locks like this. It spins. And it works like this. Of course, I have to get a metal plate on here so it doesn't damage the wood. As you can see, it has already done it. And this was the whole package. Had this thing, this lock, how hard is to make locks like this? Why can't you make these today? But you haven't seen anything. Let me show you the barn doors. This is the house lock. It is way stronger and way bigger, as you can see. It's hard to press, but it's the same one. Now this is a barn door, and this is a real key. Can you see it? This thing is a real one. Imagine you open your barn and you do it with this. Give it inside and turn. And now it's locked, as you can see. I have another barn door too, but I can't show you this one because the mower is on the way. But these were the barn keys. These kind of things. So this is where the key goes. And as you can see how thick this is. This has three layers. And this is the box lock. As you can see, it's bigger than my hand. And try to break one of these and try to penetrate this wall. And why did barns have such big locks? Because there were important stuff in there, like tools. Nowadays tools aren't worth anything, but in these ages tools were everything. As you can see, these are some of the older tools and the newer tools. So someday I will show you around, but not this day. This is a bit rusted, but it still works. For this one I don't have a key, because these keys, what I showed you, don't work. And as you can see, it's a bit broken. Some things are loose, but some of the blacksmiths still make them. Yeah, they cost $500 because they are all made by hand. So this is how old keys and locks are made. I hope you enjoyed this one and see you in the next one.